Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing one of the common household items, that is your dishwashing spray. So this is the Dawn Platinum Power Wash. It is a dishwashing spray. It is supposed to be 5 times faster in grease cleaning, and the directions are pretty straightforward. You just use it in place of your normal dishwash. You just spray it on your utensils which you intend to wash, let it sit for a few minutes. The recommended time is 2 minutes, and then you just go in and pretty much wipe it off. There's no scrubbing needed or involved. So that is what the bottle claims. I have used it. This is probably my third bottle for over 8 months now, and I am impressed. So it is easy to hold. The packaging you see is simple, plain, beautiful. It is easy to hold, easy to spray. It is not messy, it does not drip. It pretty much goes where you aim it, and you let it sit. It dispenses as a foam versus a liquid. And I have used it on pans and pots which are greased, which have collected crust due to burning of food. Baking utensils, they are a pain to clean and scrub, and pretty much you don't really have the time to do that after, after you have cooked some a really nice meal, or you have burnt the meal. But whichever way it is, nobody likes cleaning dishes, and especially if it involves a lot of scrubbing and spending time to get rid of the burnt crust. It's a nightmare. So that is where this definitely works as magic. You spray it, you let it sit. I have observed that 2 minutes sometime is not enough. Sometimes, depending on how bad the creasing or the burn is, I let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. You do need to spread a generous amount. A small amount is not going to give you the desired effect. So you spray generously, let it sit for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then you just pretty much go and wipe it clean. You don't need to use water in the beginning. You can use it later, of course, for cleaning it off, but pretty much you just use it as a concentrate as is. So, and I have done my own research and joined forums where I have seen multiple uses of, multiple secret uses of Dawn Power Wash. I have used it to clean my shower windows, and they come out squeaky clean. Like, I have used Windex and any other types of glass cleaners, and I have some level of hardness in the water that we use for bathing and showers, and it leaves, like, those white marks on the glass, which anybody absolutely hates. And Windex does clean it, but it is more of like a magnetic effects where the stains appear later again once the solution dries off. But I have tried cleaning it with power wash, and it is amazing. It is so easy to clean. Again, you need a generous amount. You spray it on the glass, let it sit, and then you wipe it off clean. I use it like every other week on my shower windows, shower glass doors, and they are beautiful. They're beautiful at the end of the day, and I really appreciate that this is a multi-purpose solution. I have also tried using it for cleaning the bathtubs and the sinks, and it works great. I also tried using it with baking soda to clean my kitchen sink. Now, it does clean really well. It really gives you that clean finish. It might not give you the shine that the stainless steel is supposed to have, but for that I use stainless steel cleaner, which I'll review later. But overall, this is multi-purpose. You can use it for your dishes, for your shower doors, for bathtub, sink, and also for your uh, the electric stove. So overall, I think this is multi-purpose. Now, coming to the cons, I personally don't like the smell of this power wash. It also comes in like clear form, and I think a bunch of other fragrances. This one in particular, I'm not a big fan of the fragrance, but to each their own. And I think this is really, really strong. So I highly recommend using gloves when you are using the power wash for any kind of cleaning purposes. Also, the bottle that you see here retails at about $5. It does come with refills, which again cost like around $4. The thing is, when you do use a generous amount and you need a generous amount, you kind of run out of the juice pretty quickly. And I don't think that might be something that is at I can say an affordable price point, especially if you have like a large household, or if you do dishes and a large amount of dishes regularly. This is not going to last you for a long, long time. So compared to the other alternatives that you get for liquid dishwasher liquid. So I think the price point is a big concern if you do do the dishes frequently and in bulk, versus if you're somebody who does not have a lot of dishes, or is really short of time, or pretty much doesn't care about the affordability point of view. I think this is perfect. It cannot get better than this. So think about it, give it a try. I think this is definitely worth trying. Maybe you can just use it for specific purposes whenever it involves dishes that require a lot of scrubbing, or like you are running out of time sort of situations. But I think this is something that you should definitely have handy, and keep it in your cleaning supplies. Try it out, let me know if you like it, and let me know if you did not like it. And leave your comments in the comment box below. And if you'd like me to review more cleaning products, do let me know. Thank you.